Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you figure out distillation on your Snapchat app on your settings. We will just click here on settings. Then we come to this is window here like you say, and we will just go down. We will click here on apps, and we come here to apps window. We will just wait to open this is window for us, and we will go down here to looking for Snapchat app here, and this is window. We will just go down and we will click here on snapshot, and we come to next window here like you say. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on ok, and just we will click here on storage, and we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.